RawForge just got an update. It can now denoise Fuji X-Trans files. Even if you do not shoot Fuji, you still want this update because there are some nice changes. So in this video, I will show you what's new, how to update RawForge as well as the plugin. So if that sounds good for you, let's go. We are back in the Linux virtual machine because that's the best operating system. RawForge now supports Fuji X-Trans denoising with 4 new models. I've also updated the plugin, so these models are available there as well. There is also a new flag called Clip Highlights. When that flag is enabled, the model does not run on Clip Highlights. This helps with denoising picture when you have overexposed areas. In the plugin, I also made another change. Some people got the missing color matrix error in Darktable, but with this update, it should be fixed. To do the update, you open your terminal. On Windows, you can use PowerShell. Then you go to the RawForge installation folder. So in my case, it's in my home directory, .local opt RawForge. Then you do git pull. That's it. So we now have the latest change from GitHub. So now we do uv pip install -e space dot. So it will install the new dependencies. Now we can do uv run RawForge-h. I'm not sure why it's downloading Torch again, but I will let it do its things. Okay, it's done now. So in the output, we can see we have clip highlight, meaning RawForge has been updated successfully. Now we can update the plugin. So the plugin is in my .config, Darktable, Lua, custom. Okay, now we are in the script folder. So then you do git pull. Whoops. That's it. So as you can see, RawForge has been updated. Now you can open Darktable. And if you open the RawForge plugin, if you check the model, you see you now have models for X-Trans sensors. And you also have the checkbox to preserve the highlights. That's it for this one. I may skip next week's video because I will be traveling to Germany. I will be nearby Dresden, so if you know good photography spots there, let me know in the comments. That's it for this one, and see you next time.